Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the weekly, moving my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So in the Euro dollar monthly, I still think this is very likely to turn into a big uptrend on the monthly. I still think it's eventually going to go up and take out these highs and eventually end up looking something like that. So let's keep that in mind because it is important even if you are a scalper. Going down to the weekly time frame, I still think that this is a wave 1. I still think we have an expanding flat wave 2. I think that the wave 2 is over, and I think this is a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3. The question is whether the wave 2 or 3 or not is over or not. Kind of seems at this point like it might actually continue down more before it actually does end up going up for that big wave 3. Now, taking it down to the daily time frame, we do have to be a little bit careful because if this really is an ABC right here, like I've been saying for the last couple of days, like an A, a B, and now we're going down for a wave C, then this should be a 1, 2, 3. And if this is a 1, 2, 3, then this really cannot make impulsive movements to the upside. So if this continues to make impulsive movements, we may have to reevaluate this and may have to say that the wave 2 is over and it could just keep on trending up. But for now, I'm definitely looking at this move up as a possible correction to this move down, and I still think it's more likely that it's going to go down before it really does go back up. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I mean, this definitely looks like a trend to me. Like I said, if this is a wave 3, then this would have to be like a subdivision 1 or subdivision 2, and this would have to be a correction to this move down, probably bounce off a fib level, and eventually end up continuing back down. So let's take it right down to that 1 hour time frame, because on the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. Now, I would, especially if you trade the 1 hour time frame and below, I would definitely be looking for longs right now, but I would also be aware that if we get a nice Fibonacci bounce, a nice break of structure to the downside, then I would exit my longs and start going short. I think it could be a 1, 2, and I do believe that it's very likely to go down for a big old wave 3, but like I was explaining on the higher time frames, it is always possible that it keeps going up, and if you are looking for longs until you see this break of structure to the downside and that break of structure never happens, then you could just keep on going long, and if it just keeps on trending up, then you just keep on enjoying the profit. I personally think that it is probably going to bounce off a fib level and just keep on trending down, but we will be looking for longs and we'll be learning and earning at the same time whether this is really a wave 2 or whether we are just in a complete trend reversal and we are actually trending back up. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my website linked down here below. As always, thanks and happy trading.